Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Carrot cake with mascarpone topping. 225 grams, 8 ounces, self-raising flour. 2 teaspoons baking powder, 150 grams, 5 ounces, light muscovado sugar. 50 grams, 2 ounces, walnut pieces, chopped. 100 grams, 4 ounces, carrots, coarsely grated. 2 ripe bananas, mashed. 2 eggs. 150 milliliters, 5 fluid ounces, sunflower oil.
Let's help you make your mark.
Carrot cake is oil-based, rather than butter-based. This keeps it moist and helps it last for days. Unfortunately, it also means you lose the leavening power that creaming butter and sugar would bring. To avoid a dense oil-based cake, many home cooks overcompensate by adding too much baking powder.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Place a box grater on a cutting board. Using a downward motion, scrape the pointed end of the carrot along the large holes of the box grater. Be careful to keep your hands and fingers out of the way. Repeat this shredding motion until you reach the last 2 inches of each carrot.
Take our lead.
Melted butter can also work as a substitute for vegetable oil when making a carrot cake. Melt the butter until your measuring cup is full of the amount of vegetable oil for which the recipe calls. You might need to melt additional sticks of butter to equal the total amount needed.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Please do not use the pre-shredded carrots you can buy in the produce section of the store. They are way too big of shreds for this cake. Shred your own carrots on the fine side of a cheese grater. To avoid lumps in the cream cheese frosting, make sure it's softened well.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.